Hello. Today we will learn the phrasal verb drive something off. It means to force something or someone to leave. You can use it with animals, people, or even feelings. For example, the farmer drove the wolves off his land. Here, the farmer made the wolves leave. You can also say, she drove off her fears by staying positive. Drive something off is separable. You can say drive the wolves off or drive off the wolves. Both are correct. Use this phrase when something or someone is forced to go away. Common collocations include drive pests off and drive intruders off. Be careful not to confuse it with drive away, which focuses more on leaving by vehicle. Try to use drive something off in your daily conversations. It is a useful phrasal verb to describe pushing things or people away. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. See you next time.